Welcome to the project demonstration of voice control robot. So which can we are going to control this robot in 4 directions along with stop command. That the commands will be received from the Bluetooth module, this AC05, and from our Android Bluetooth mobile phone. From the app, we are going to send the voice commands. So that voice commands will be converted to the text, and the particular text will be received by this AC05 module, and it will be decoded by Arduino Uno. And after the decode, based on the conditions which we mentioned inside the code MHC language, we are going to control this robot in 4 directions with the help of this motor driver board. So this is a DK like a HW160 130 motor driver board, which can control the 4 DC motors and based on the input signal from the Arduino Uno board directly. So this is a battery power supply we are going to provide it for the DC motors along with the Arduino Uno board, and the battery voltage is 11.1 volts of 800 mAh. So after switching on this, so we can see the one light is fast blinking on this Bluetooth module. And go to the Bluetooth settings in your phone and search for a Bluetooth module, and there will be HC05 named icon will be appeared. So while pairing, it will ask for the password. The password is 1234 and OK. And once pairing was successfully done, go to the application which we provided to you. So there's a SVS voice control, and from here pair to the same SC05 module. Once pairing was successfully done, we can see the blinking for this Bluetooth module will be slowed down. Right, now it is slowed down, so it's ready to work mode. So now once just click on this, tap here and give the voice command forward. Right, the robot is moving in the forward direction. Right, if you place it in the ground floor on the ground, so it will move very fast. Okay, and for stop command, same, click on this, stop, 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 stop. Right. Okay, so the announcement should be done in a perfect accent, then only the voice commands will be converted into the text. And the same backward, so it will move backward. Stop. Right. Sorry. And coming to the left and right also, we can do directly. Left, right. So left and right directly we rotate this robot for 90 degrees of rotation, and it stops automatically, so not continuously rotation. Right, 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 left. Okay, so in this manner we can control the robot in 4 directions: forward, backward, left, right, along with stop. Thank you.